Let's talk about the India show of strength. The alliance is staging a mega show of strength at the historic Ram Leela Maidan in the national capital. Why this is ironic is for two reasons. One, of course, the kind of challenges that the opposition continues to face with regards to seat sharing in several parts of the country, and yet the show of strength on one stage in the national capital has raised several eyebrows. The second is, this is where Arvind Kejriwal in fact began with the India Against Corruption movement. The BJP says then Kejriwal spoke against several politicians, including top brass of the Congress party, and today they're on one stage taking on the BJP. Now, there are many top leaders of the alliance, including Rahul Gandhi, Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, Mehbooba Mufti, Farooq Abdullah, and several others. And importantly, Derek O'Brien is representing the TMC at the rally, despite the Congress and Mamata Banerjee not agreeing on seat sharing in Bengal. In fact, he was just addressing the audience a while ago. The rally so far, however, has been headlined by the wives of arrested leaders, notably Sunita Kejriwal and Kalpana Soren. Also present at the rally are Anita Singh, wife of arrested AAP MP Sanjay Singh, and Poonam Jain, wife of arrested leader Satyendra Jain. But it was the wife of Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren who led the charge. Sunita Kejriwal, in fact, read out a letter from the Delhi Chief Minister containing 6 guarantees. Kalpana Soren took the stage after her. But let's talk about what was said by Sunita Agarwal. Remember, Sunita Agarwal announced 6 guarantees on behalf of Delhi Chief Minister. Sunita Kejriwal, I beg your pardon, spoke of 6 guarantees. There are uninterrupted power, free electricity for poor, government schools in all mohallas, mohalla clinics everywhere, MSP for farmers on Swaminathan formula, and full statehood for Delhi. She also apologized to the INDI allies for not having spoken to them before giving out these guarantees.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने मेरे पति को जेल में डाल दिया। क्या प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सही किया? ये बीजेपी वाले ये कह रहे हैं कि केजरीवाल जी जेल में हैं, इन्हें इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। क्या केजरीवाल जी को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए? आपके केजरीवाल शेर है, शेर। ये ज्यादा दिन तक उनको जेल में नहीं रख पाएंगे।
आज ये उमड़ा ऐतिहासिक इस मैदान में सैलाब इस बात की गवाही दे रहा है कि लोकतंत्र को खत्म करने के लिए जिस तरीके से तानाशाह ताकतों ने अपना कदम बढ़ाया है, उसको अंत करने के लिए ये संकल्प सभा यहाँ पे आमंत्रित हुई है, जिन्होंने एक एक करके हमारे संवैधानिक संस्थाओं के संवैधानिक मूल्यों को तहस नहस किया है।
मैं आज ये ऐलान करने के लिए अपने सभी इंडिया गठबंधन के साथियों से माफी मांगता हूं, क्योंकि ये ऐलान करने के पहले मैंने उनसे उनकी अनुमति या सहमति नहीं ली। जेल में हूं, इसलिए सहमति लेना संभव नहीं था। उम्मीद करता हूं कि किसी को इस पर आपत्ति नहीं होगी। ये सभी 6 गारंटी हम 5 साल में पूरी करेंगे। इसका पैसा कहां से आएगा, इसकी पूरी प्लानिंग कर ली है।
What's interesting though is there seemed to be 2 agendas for the rally before it began. The Aam Aadmi Party, which is playing host, said there was a rally for Kejriwal. This was a rally solely centered around his arrest and how the INDI stands against it. The Congress says the rally is about saving democracy and against misuse of agencies and the income tax department. A poster, in fact, of Arvind Kejriwal behind bars that was put up prominently in the front of the stage before the rally began was removed shortly later. To add to that, the BJP simply says this is a gathering of corrupt dynasts.
लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल पहली बार केवल अरविंद केजरीवाल गिरफ्तार नहीं हुए। हम सब ने देखा है खबरों में, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री को गिरफ्तार करने से पहले झारखंड के मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन को गिरफ्तार किया गया। हमने देखा है देश के हर राज्य के अंदर केंद्र की तानाशाही सरकार, देश के प्रधानमंत्री ईडी और सीबीआई के दम पर इस देश के अंदर लोकतंत्र की एक एक करके हत्या कर रहे हैं।
लोकतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है। लोकतंत्र के पक्ष में आज पूरा देश खड़ा है और वही संदेश देने के लिए हम यहाँ पर आए हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पूरा तंत्र विपक्ष के खिलाफ एक्ट करता है, आप लोगों के खिलाफ एक्ट करता है।
रैली करने पर कौन मनाही है, लेकिन कौन लोग जुटने वाले हैं? जो भ्रष्टाचार में आरोपी हैं, जो जनता के पैसे के लूट में जेल में हैं, जो ईमानदारी का चोंगा पहन के देश में नई राजनीति करने की बात करते थे, वह जेल से सरकार चलाने की बात कर रहे हैं। कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि लालू जी से सीख लेकर अपनी पत्नी को मुख्यमंत्री बनाने की बात करते हैं।
Mr. Arvind Kejriwal used to hold finger of Anna Hazare and used to say Lalu ji should be sent to jail, Mulayam ji should be sent to jail, Rahul Sonia ji should be sent to jail. Today, he is holding finger of Lalu Prasad and saying, don't send me to jail, along with the same people whom he wanted to send to jail. This shows the political conversion of Arvind Kejriwal in Ram Leela Maidan only, that from Jhadu to Daru, from Swaraj to Sharab, from Anna to Lalu, from demanding resignation to not giving the resignation, running the government from inside of jail and not answering questions about Sharab Ghotala.
So, political conversion of Arvind Kejriwal is something that the BJP is questioning today, Tejshri. Interestingly, the BJP is speaking of, how Arvind Kejriwal, from teaming up with Anna Hazare during the India Against Corruption movement, is today teaming up with people like Lalu Prasad Yadav and his parties. But what the BJP is also asking, how there's a complete divide within the INDA over the agenda of this very gathering.
Well, yes, certainly remember that Ram Leela Maidan was the same particular place from where Arvind Kejriwal started his anti-corruption movement in India along with Anna Hazare, and now BJP is alleging that it was anti-corruption movement, and now they are standing here against corruption who themselves are involved in corruption is what BJP is alleging. But first of all, let us show you the visuals over here from the stage itself. As of now, Sitaram Yechuri is addressing the rally, and Sonia Gandhi has just arrived in this particular Maha rally of India bloc. And if we talk about the leaders, then Mehbooba Mufti, Derek O'Brien, D. Raja have already addressed. Uddhav has addressed, Tejasvi Yadav, Farooq Abdullah, all these leaders have addressed the rally, and now prominent speakers who are yet to address is Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, maybe Priyanka Gandhi, Sharad Pawar of course, and there you see discussion going on between Rahul Gandhi and the Aam Aadmi Party leader, and in fact along with K.C. Venugopal a while back there was also a discussion going on of Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi as well. Also interesting fact, let me tell you, let us show you the visuals over here. The seat that is vacant is it was vacant for Mamta Banerjee. She could not come over here, and in fact probably Uddhav Thackeray has also left. That seat is also vacant. So Priyanka Gandhi was asked to sit next to Hemant Soren's wife Kalpana Soren along with Sunita Kejriwal and Sonia Gandhi, but she picked up her own seat on which her name was written. So these are the visuals that we are giving you from the rally of India bloc. And once also let us show you the visuals over here, the kind of support that has poured in for the people, from the people of the national capital over here across is what the India bloc has been claiming. And in fact, all in all, their agenda is just one, to come in support with Arvind Kejriwal, and of course show to show that how opposition is strengthened no matter what. Let the government, let the agencies keep on attacking the opposition, let them keep behind the bars, let them put in behind the bars, but they will stay all together. Akhilesh Yadav is now addressing the rally. You see massive support. You can see people are just...
Akhilesh Yadav to speak next. We'll come back to you. Remember, Farooq Abdullah, Mehbooba Mufti, Derek O'Brien, Tejasvi Yadav have all spoken already. It's interesting to highlight what Tejasvi said while he hit out at the BJP during his speech. He in fact read out a long list of his relatives who faced the crackdown of the agencies, alleging political vendetta. Listen in.
तब मोदी जी और उनकी जो सेल है पार्टी की, उस पार्टी का सेल में कौन है? ईडी है, सीबीआई है, इनकम टैक्स है। लालू जी को तो कई बार सताया गया, मेरे ऊपर मुकदमा किया गया, मेरी मां पर, मेरी बहनों पर, मेरे जीजाओं पर, मेरे पिता के जितने संबंधी थे सब पर केस मुकदमा किया। अभी बिहार चले जाइए, कई हमारे नेताओं पे छापेमारी चल रही है, कई जगह ईटी का रेप चल रहा है, आईटी का रेप चल रहा है, लेकिन हम लोग घबराने वाले लोग नहीं।